Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make videos on REDnote application. So first of all, open up your REDnote application. Now on the application's main interface, you will see all sorts of videos that are posted by people on this application. So if you want to make a video, then you very simply have to click on the plus icon that is present at the bottom center of your screen. Now on the plus icon, you will be able to see all of the items that are present in your gallery. So from here, you very simply have to select the video or the photo that you wish to upload on REDnote application. So for example, I will be selecting this one. Then you have to tap on next. Once you tap on next, a new menu will appear in front of you. So from here, you can do a number of things to your video. First of all, you can click on the choose music option and select the music that you wish to add on your video. Then you can very simply click on more and you will see all sorts of options that you can perform on your video. For example, you can add effects, add text, or add stickers to your clip. Once you are done with this, you have to tap on next. When you click on next, a new menu will appear in front of you. So from this menu, first of all you have to enter the title of your video. So for example, I will simply write text. Then add a description for your video that briefly explains your video or simply creates a curiosity among your followers. So once you're done, there are a lot of other options that you can do as well. For example, you can mention a user on this application. Furthermore, you can select whether you want to make your video private or public. So once you're done with all of these options, you very simply have to tap on post and you will be able to easily make videos on REDnote application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.